Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Is your mouse scrolling too slowly, too quickly, or just not feeling right on your Mac? In this video I will show you MouseBoost for Mac, a handy utility designed to give you more control over your mouse and scrolling experience. Mac users often get used to the default mouse settings, but they can feel limiting if you want more customization. That's where MouseBoost comes in. It gives you additional control over mouse behavior, helping you customize the way your mouse works and making everyday navigation feel more comfortable. Okay, let's know what is MouseBoost. MouseBoost is a lightweight Mac utility focused on improving your mouse experience. Depending on your setup, you can use it to fine-tune things like mouse movement, scrolling, and other mouse-related behaviors. Let's know how to install it. First, open your browser. Now here search for MouseBoost for Mac and press enter. And MouseBoost on the Mac App Store, click on the link. Now click on View in Mac App Store. Now click on the download button. Now you can see MouseBoost is successfully downloaded. Click on open. Now you need to select the app in system preference. Click on open system preferences. Now under Finder extension, just check this box MouseBoost. Then close this. Now you can see here the interface of MouseBoost. The main menu, new file, paths, apps, scripts, websites, folder icon, and preferences. Who should use it? MouseBoost can be useful for Mac users who want more control over their mouse than the standard macOS settings provide. It's particularly worth checking out if you are using a third-party mouse, or if the default scrolling and pointer behavior does not feel right to you. Now you can see here the quick access, click on it. Now enable quick access, click on enable quick access. Click on OK. Now under accessibility, click on the lock. Then provide your Mac password here. Then click on unlock. Then click on this plus button. Then select MouseBoost. Then click on open. Then close this window. And that's it. It is enabled. Now from here you just change the settings of MouseBoost. If this video helped you improve your mouse experience, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share for more useful Mac apps, utilities, and tutorials. Thank you for watching.